If you're like most Amazon sellers, you're probably checking your BSR, watching sales trends, and tweaking pricing when things go down. That's because you're probably not using the key data that gives you the full story. SellerSprite's product tracker helps you figure out what exactly drives sales, what to fix, and where your competitors are leaving money on the table. I'm about to show you how to start using it to optimize listings, pricing, and even your creative content strategy. By the way, if you want to try this tool out, use promo code EVOLVE to get a monthly plan for only $20 instead of $80. And it'll give you a basic yearly plan for only $200 instead of $400. So, I'm going to use scar creams as an example in this video. Now let's start by pulling in some competitor ASINs. I'm tagging these under a group called scar creams so we can compare them side by side later. This makes it easy to segment your product research if you have multiple products or brands. I did this earlier over here so the data would have time to pull in. Now, one of these scar cream competitors has seen unit sales climbing for over a week straight, but their price hasn't changed. That tells us demand is going up organically without discounts or price drops. And that's exactly the kind of insight you want before adjusting your own pricing. Now check this out. Another competitor actually raised their price recently and their sales kept climbing. That's a strong indicator their value proposition is landing with customers and price isn't the main purchasing factor here. Now, here are a few key metrics Product Tracker shows you that really move the needle. The first one is daily unit sales. If a competitor's sales are flat, but they're holding their price steady, maybe their listing just needs fresh creative or a new ad push. But if sales are rising without discounts, that's a product that customers want. It shows demand is rising and is a good reminder to lean into value, not just price cuts. The next metric is BSR, or bestseller rank. BSR tells you how products stack up across both their main category and subcategory. If you see a product climbing fast in a subcategory, that's a signal they're locking down a smaller, focused market. You might want to explore switching your product subcategory or strengthening your keyword alignment to dominate that niche before it becomes too competitive. For example, switching to a subcategory like after surgery care could help a scar cream rank faster and reach a more targeted audience. Metric number 3 is price fluctuations. Don't immediately drop your price to stay competitive. One of these scar cream competitors raised their price recently and still saw sales continue climbing. That tells me their value proposition is strong and that demand is also strong. Instead of playing the price game, think about how you can raise perceived value. Add a high-quality infographic breaking down key ingredients and their benefits. You can include a small bonus item like a trial-sized version or an applicator. Or just purely focus on premium lifestyle images that position your product as the higher-end, more trusted solution. You'll always want to keep an eye on review trends to spot early signs of product quality issues or rising customer satisfaction. And with competitor tagging, you can group products and track them over time to quickly identify who's gaining market share and why. For example, if you notice that 2 competitors are seeing rising sales, but only one of them dropped their price, dig deeper. Did they add new product images, launch promotion? Did they start getting more attention on social media? Or maybe their review rating or count suddenly increased. That's the kind of actionable insight you can use to test a similar strategy without blindly guessing. The key is turning this data into a real strategy. Now that you've got the data, here's how to actually use it to grow. First, optimize your creative assets. If a competitor with fewer sales still has a better BSR, it means they're converting higher. Pull up their listing and learn why. Is their main image more eye-catching? Are they using graphics and UGC videos or emotional copy that connects with buyers better than your listing? Next, refine your launch or relaunch strategy. Run a quick review generation campaign while you launch ads on your top 10 most relevant keywords. This helps you build early social proof and climb rankings faster. Then play the long game with content, not just discounts. When a competitor climbs in BSR without changing their price or ad strategy, it usually means they're leveraging better content. Audit their listing. Did they add a new video or revamp revamp their A+ content? Are they speaking directly to emotional buying triggers like confidence, relief, or lifestyle improvements? Pull emotional angles directly from customer reviews and build them into your creatives. Show the transformation. That's the moment people connect with. When they see themselves in that transformation, you're not just selling a product, you're delivering the outcome they want. Amazon doesn't reward hesitation. It rewards sellers who move fast and make smart, data-backed decisions. With these insights you can get from SellerSprite's product tracker, you can act before competitors and even know what's coming. So that's it. If you want to leverage these insights, you can try it now using my promo code EVOLVE. It gives you their monthly plan for only $20 instead of $80, or you can lock in a full year for basically 50% off at only $200 instead of $400. That link is waiting for you right here in the video's description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.